Hi, my name is Lila Kihas, and this is my project for SportsMed 3 for a medical research journal, which I decided to do my project on Alzheimer's. What is dementia? Dementia is the loss of cognitive thinking, such as having a hard time remembering, reasoning, and doing daily activities become forgetful. Dementia affects millions of people and becomes more common as people get older, but is not a normal part of aging. Some people with dementia can't control their emotions and their personalities may even change. Signs and symptoms of dementia happens once healthy neurons in the brain stop working, lose connections with other brain cells, and die. There are several different types of dementia, such as frontotemporal dementia, Lewy body disease, Alzheimer's disease, and more. I'm going to be mainly focusing on Alzheimer's. What is Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's is a brain disorder that slowly destroys the memory and thinking skill. It causes the brain to shrink and brain cells to die. Some signs of Alzheimer's may include memory loss, poor judgment, such as making bad decisions, losing track of where you are, and several other symptoms. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type of dementia, and about 6.5 million people in the United States aged 65 and older live with this disease. Stages of Alzheimer's. There are technically only 3 stages of Alzheimer's, which include mild, moderate, and severe. But let's start from the beginning, which is preclinical. In the preclinical stage is where amyloid plaques or tau tangles start to form in the brain a decade or more before. Amyloid plaques are misfolded proteins that form in the spaces between nerve cells. These first develop in the areas of the brain concerned with memory and other cognitive functions, while tau tangles are clumps and tangles of tau proteins, which causes neurons to die. These are considered some of the main features of Alzheimer's disease. Another feature is loss of connections between nerve cells in the brain. The first stage is mild, and during mild Alzheimer's, the person might seem healthy, but they still have a hard time focusing on the world around them and what's happening. They start losing or misplacing things and wandering or getting lost. People are often diagnosed in this stage. In the second stage is the moderate stage, where intensive supervision and care become necessary. It gets hard to learn new things, have problems recognizing friends and family, and having emotional outbursts. People at this stage may have hallucinations, delusions, and paranoia, and may behave impulsively. The third and final stage is where people can't communicate or have to depend on others. Weight loss, seizures, and have an increased sleeping time is one of the symptoms that happens during this stage. In the severe stage, that sadly means that's near the end of their life. Also, I want to include MCI, where many people have a condition called MCI, short for mild cognitive impairment, which can be an early sign of Alzheimer's. But one thing to consider is that not everyone with MCI develops Alzheimer's. People with MCI can still take care of themselves and perform normal activities. Some memory problems may include losing things often, forgetting to go to events or appointments, and problems with communication because of difficulty finding words. Treatments for Alzheimer's. Some treatments can go from taking prescribed drugs, for instance, galantamine and ribostigma or donepezil. Some scientists have just discovered a new drug that has been approved by the FDA called lecanemab for people with mild Alzheimer's disease and MCI. Physical activities work such as walking, dancing, and gardening. Social activities like discussing or having conversations with loved ones and or storytelling, as well as expressive activities such as painting, writing letters, and journaling. These are great treatments that can help handle Alzheimer's much easier. Can you prevent Alzheimer's? There is currently no cure for Alzheimer's, but there are ways to reduce having it, such as no smoking, brain exercises like crossword puzzles or Sudoku to strengthen the brain. Exercise and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Engage socially with others can help a lot. And maintaining a good blood pressure has shown that helps a lot as well. Thank you for listening.